Today we're going to be learning about volume of rectangular prisms. Well, what is the volume? Volume is the amount of space inside a three-dimensional figure. And to find the volume for a rectangular prism, you're going to use the formula volume equals length times width times height. As always, if you're following along, feel free to pause and take notes if you would like. Let's take a look at example 1. So in our rectangular prism here, we have a height of 20 inches, a length of 30 inches, and the width of 15 inches. So according to our formula, what we need to do here to find the volume, we need to do 30 times 15 times 20. Now, since it's all multiplication, you can actually do this in whatever order you would like. But let's just go in the order of what we have. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 30 times 15. Okay, so we start with 5 times 0, which is 0. 5 times 3, which equals 15. Can't forget to place our 0 placeholder there, annex our 0 in. Then we multiply the 1 by the 30. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. We add those together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. And we get 450. Now what we need to do is we take our 450 and we need to multiply that by 20. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Can't forget to annex our 0. 2 times 0 is 0. A lot of zeros in this one. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry our 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus that 1 gives us 9. We add that together, and we get 9,000. So our volume for this particular cube is going to be 9,000, and we take a look at our measurement, inches, and it's going to be cubed. So we put our little 3 up there. So for finding volume for these rectangular prisms, we're just multiplying the length times the width times the height. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have a length of 9 millimeters, a width of 11 millimeters, and a height of 7 millimeters. So our formula is going to be 9 times 11 times 7. And like I said, you can multiply these in any order you would like. So I'm going to start with the two, let's do 9 times 7 first, which gives us 63. Okay, so I take my 63 and I'm going to need to multiply that by 11. So 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 6 is 6, annex in my 0. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 6 is 6. We add those together, and we get 693. So the volume for this is 693. Look at our measurement, millimeters cubed. Don't forget our cubed sign there. Now for our last example, you actually might see a problem like this, where they give you the base, and the base is actually length times width. So in this case, with our prism that has a 6 foot length, a 4 foot width, our base is actually 24 feet squared. So they've already given you that, which is awesome because that means less work for you. So in our formula here, we're going to be doing 6 times 4 times 12, but since they've given you your base, we're actually going to be doing 24 times 12 because that's the last one that we haven't used. We haven't used that 12. So we'll move it over here. 24 times 12 is going to give us our volume, or the base times height is going to be the volume here. So you see here we have our base, and this is our height. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 2 is 4. Got to annex in our 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. We add those together. We get 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus nothing, we get 2. So our volume here, we get 288 feet cubed. So if you'd like more examples or you have any questions about how to find volume of rectangular prisms, please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope this helps.